Welcome to Carleton University Virtual Labs. In this virtual lab, we will measure the viscosity of a sample, using the Viscolab 3000. Remember that PNX Labs always recommends wearing personal safety devices, before conducting any experiment. Let's get started. Move to the green location in front of the instrument. In this lab we will use the Viscolab 3000 instrument, a falling piston viscometer. The principle of viscosity measurement in this rugged and sensitive industrial device is based on a piston and cylinder assembly. The piston is periodically raised by an air lifting mechanism, drawing the material being measured down through the clearance, gap, between the piston and the wall of the cylinder into the space formed below the piston as it is raised. The assembly is then typically held up for a few seconds, then allowed to fall by gravity, expelling the sample out through the same path that it entered, creating a shearing effect on the measured liquid, which makes this viscometer particularly sensitive and good for measuring certain thixotropic liquids. The time of fall is a measure of viscosity, with the clearance between the piston and inside of the cylinder forming the measuring orifice. You will need the following supplies to test the sample: the sample, pipette, the forceps provided, clean gas canister, solvent, swabs, cleaning tissues. To start, grab 1 ml from the sample and insert the sample into the sensor's measurement chamber. Grab the piston by the nipple with the forceps and place it in the measurement chamber until the piston is fully submerged in the sample. From the main menu, select Choose Range and select the 25 to 500 cp, select Operate and then select Analyze and Report. This should take a few minutes for the instrument to generate the report. Temperature stabilizing. Viscosity stabilizing. Qualifying temperature. Collecting data. Qualifying data. Report data. The data is now displayed in the screen. The report is now complete. Grab the piston and use the cleaning tissue and the solvent to clean the piston. Then use a pipette to draw as much sample as you can from the chamber. Add solvent to the chamber and use a swab to clean the chamber. Repeat this process until the chamber is clean with no residues. Then use the gas canister to dry the chamber. Excellent, you have now tested a sample in the Viscolab 3000. Press the Exit button next to the instrument to open the main menu.